Hi friends, today we have Nikhil with us. Nikhil is an AVP in Base 24 team, development team, and he has 7+ years of experience with Concerto. Hi Nikhil,
Hi, Rini.
how are you today?
Yeah, I'm doing good. How are you?
I am also good. So how is the pandemic and the work going on?
Yeah, the pandemic, the situation is a bit, bad, but I think hopefully things will turn out better. Uh,
So
let's
I
stay positive, and the work is going on.
I hope your family, you are all safe.
Yes, we are all safe.
So Nikhil, we want to know about your journey with Concerto these many years, how it was.
Yeah, I joined Concerto in April 2014, so it has been 7+ years. Was a good experience. Journey with Concerto is really memorable. And actually, the growth of Concerto also, if we see, it has been like a good journey altogether. So far, it has been enriching experience from both professional as well as personal point of view.
So any special moment you remember with Concerto, working with Concerto?
Yeah, there are many moments, like very difficult to pick a particular one, but I would say we in 2019 we had this NI hardware upgrade project. It was a big challenging project, and there were around, I think we were 25 to 30 people in Dubai. So it was quite a challenging project in terms of technical aspects and everything. And also it so happened that my wife and daughter were there with me, and we got a chance to celebrate my daughter's first birthday over there. So during that project, my daughter on 18th April, I think we celebrated that birthday, her first birthday, and there were whole like Concerto family, attending that celebration. So that was a memorable moment from a personal as well as a professional point of view. It was a good memorable event. So also there are a lot of events actually. Like we have the annual picnic where we get to bond with each other. Then there is a Concerto Premier League, which is again a very special event. I think I'm sure everybody must be missing all these events due to this pandemic. But yeah, things will turn out well. So quite a few memorable moments.
So as in this pandemic is going on, so there has been last 2 years we have not celebrated any of the things, like we have not done our annual day plus the CPS, the moment when all the employees come together. So how it is difficult for you to make a team bonding or something?
Yeah, it is like there are different people. You have to like know the you have to know the fact that not every individual is same. So there will be a different kind of individuals, and you have to adjust yourself at some time. Sometimes not, but yeah, we have to just gauge and look at every team member from an individual perspective, and you have to accept that there has to be everybody's attitude and everybody's nature will be different. So we have to accept that fact and look everybody as a team, and try to gel with each other, try to focus on your work.
So any message you want to give to all the employees who are working in this pandemic, having stress, how to deal with stress or something?
Yeah, I think stay positive. That is the most important thing. So this will pass away. Also try to focus on your physical as well as mental health. Try to do so. physical activities or yoga, any activities which will give you some like good relief. And try to stay positive. That is what I also try to take utmost care during this. Even after vaccination, I think we need to take a lot of care even after that.
Yeah, sure. Thank you, Nikhil, for sharing your experience with us. We hope the next year we all will be together and party at Swastava.
Yes, sure.
Thank
Also,
you.
I would like onto this. I would like to add that Swastava, I think we are completing 13 years, right?
13 long years.
13 years. So 13 years is a good journey. And if you see that, the kind of growth Concerto has shown in the past years, so it is really great. So this is because of everybody's hard work,
Correct.
Right from the directors till the lowest levels of the developers and testers and whatever we have. So it is because of everybody's hard work we have reached this. So also, I mean, if you see, our directors had a vision. So they started with their expertise, and in the meantime, they tried to work on different products also specific to payment domain. So in payment domain, so we have wide range of products which we have developed over the past years, and which I think some of the customers are also trying to showing some interest. So it's a good 13 years of the company's journey, and I wish Concerto all the very best for the future coming years. Let's keep on doing the good work with everybody. Okay. So thank you. Rini.
Thank you so much. We wish you all the best for your future too, and many more years with Concerto, and giving such interviews again and again. But I think that will be a personal interview next time.
Fine. Okay.
Thanks so much.
Bye everybody. Take care.